Hey everyone, welcome to ITPK. In this quick video, I will show you how to install Windows 11 inside a virtual machine on your computer. I will guide you through the complete installation of Windows 11 inside the free and pro software that is VMware Workstation Pro. If you don't have VMware Workstation Pro installed or still the Windows ISO file, I've already made videos on both of those. Links are in the video description. Let's first make sure the virtualization status is on my laptop. Let's go ahead and open PowerShell, run as administrator, paste the command from video description that will show the virtualization status for your computer or a laptop. Virtualization enabled in the firmware. The second step is to confirm it. Type system information in your start menu. Scroll down to the bottom where we will see that virtualization enabled in the firmware is yes. That's perfect. It means we can proceed. Let's open up VMware Workstation Pro and click on Create a new virtual machine. We want to proceed with typical and recommended process. Let's click Next. Here in the installation disk image file, I want to locate the Windows 11 official ISO that I have downloaded from the Microsoft official website. Here you go. Let's go next. Virtual machine, I want to name it ITPK. Here, if you want, you could go ahead and change the location for your virtual machine. I'm fine with this. Let me go next. Now we are at the encryption settings screen. VMware requires encryption if you want to enable a virtual TPM, which is needed for Windows 11 installation. Here we have two options. The first option encrypts all the files of virtual machine, and the second option encrypts only the minimum required files to support TPM. For our purpose, we need only TPM support, so I recommend selecting the second option. This is lighter, faster, and avoid unnecessary overhead. Let me mention the password. Make sure you don't forget this password and you have checked this. Remember the password on this machine in Credential Manager. Click Next. Now we need to specify the virtual disk capacity. By default, VMware suggests a large size, but you don't need to use all of it right away. VMware will allocate space as the virtual machine grows, so it won't immediately take up your full disk. As this video is for educational and training purposes, so I have put only 11 gigs of size for my Windows 11 here. The next two options we have is store virtual disk as a single file, better performance, but the files can get very large. The second option we have split virtual machine into multiple files. This is easier to move or copy between the computers, especially if you are using FAT32 drive. So let's keep split virtual disk into multiple files and click Next. Now here we are ready to create a virtual machine. You can review all of this information and if required you could go ahead and customize hardware as well. You could go ahead and change the network adapter setting, USB controller, display, sound card, processor, or anything else, including memory. So let's close this. I'm ready to proceed with the installation and I want power on this virtual machine after the creation. Let's finish it. Press any key to pick a boot from CD and now it's picking up the boot from my given ISO file that is here for Windows 11. Now you could go ahead and confirm your language and time format here. I'm fine with this. Let's click next. I'm fine with the US keyboard. Again, click next. Install the latest version of Windows 11 or repair your PC if you're installing Windows 11. Please note your files, apps, and settings will be deleted. That is fine. I want to install the Windows 11. I currently don't have the product key, and as this is the demo video for the installation and setup of Windows 11 on a VMware Workstation Pro that is totally free, we have to select our operating system. I want Windows 11 Pro. I like it the most. Let's click next. Here are the few license and agreements. I am accepting these. Okay, and now at this step, let's select the partition and click next. My Windows 11 is ready to install. Let's click on install. PC will start several times. This might take a while. Now Windows 11 is installing inside a VMware Workstation Pro on my computer. If you missed any earlier step, please check out my other videos on how to install VMware Workstation Pro and how to download ISO. If you haven't subscribed ITPK yet, please go ahead and like and subscribe for more informational and quick tutorials. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next one.